So here we are going to use a different small tiny strips to make a caterpillar. So firstly we are making its antennae and now its tail. Now making the leaf, putting all over it. It's ready. Moving caterpillar is ready. In the next we are using this yellow sheet and cutting it up to make the wing using this bottle, putting the sheet around it, a purple sheet, so it's a butterfly, putting the small flower around its wing and it's ready. Let's proceed to the next. Here we have used the green and red sheet to make a frog. A huge frog is ready, making its leg. Now making the greenery around it. It's done. In the next we are using the circular black sheet and white sheet over it. So we are basically going to make a penguin, putting the stick and it's ready. In the next we are using these colorful strip in this way, putting the glue, now making a cut, folding it up so you will get a square shape structure is ready. Now making the face, another way of fish is ready. In the next we are using the yellow strip, pasting it up, making the snail and putting it over the leaf in this way. In the next we are using this bottle and using this yellow strip around it, making the face, pinky face. So any guesses what it could be? The way of bee is ready. Now it's turn to make its wing. In the next we are using this tissue and we are just tear it up and using it on the green color sheet. So it's basically a sheep who is gazing on the greenery, putting some flower around it, making the greenery and wooden stick in this way, making the sketch, making a drawing with the help of sketch and it's ready. In the next we are using the white sheet, now the yellow pear, pasting over it, putting the leaf around it, and now putting the green strip to make the zigzag shape. It is basically a caterpillar who is eating the pear, colorful dot around the white sheet and it's ready. In the next we are using the light blue color sheet, putting the green around it to make the greenery, putting this lid to make a rabbit, a cute rabbit sitting on the greenery, putting this red lid to make a sun and cloud, so it's ready. In the next we are using this yellow sheet and making a shape with the help of sellotape, putting the black and yellow all together to make the face of the bee and it's almost done. Now making its wing on the back, a honeybee is ready. In the next we are putting the green to make a greenery, a sky with the light blue, sun, cloud is ready. Now making the hen in this way and its cheek in the behind, putting some flower like that which is made up of clay and sheets and it's almost done. It's ready. In the next we are using the red sheet and folding it up, making a cut on behind, making a cut in this way on the middle so it will the shape of its back and making its face. It's a prawn. It's ready. In the next we are using this yellow sheet to make a swan in another way, so just folding it up as per given in the video and now folding it into the middle, making its face, making its wing and it's ready. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.